Hello everyone. Now to make something with toilet rolls, little gift boxes. If you don't like toilet rolls, kitchen rolls will do. Let's play. Take a ruler, 3 centimetres, make a line and then at 1 centimetre. Same again there, 3 centimetres, 1 centimetre. Do the same on both sides. Then take your ruler, do the lines there. Take something sharp to scar lines in, like score lines in there like that. And there like that. Go, flip over and do the same on the other side. 1 centimetre in. Down the bottom, 1 centimetre in. Take that, draw a line down there. Fold like that. And fold it across like that. Get your boner or a ruler. There we go. Little box like that. Next, take a pair of scissors and cut down to there. On that side and the same there. Bring that over like so, and then cut that off. Oops. Take your scissors, just round off the edges. There we go. That's the flap there. Right. Take this piece. Measure another inch. So that's 1 inch. So do there. And one down there. Take that. Just go down there. Like that. Now, cut out the corners. All the corners. Right, all done. Now, take some paper. Any paper will do. Old magazine. Even an old magazine will do. And now, we're going to cut out a piece for there, 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 and 1 for the bottom, and 3 for the bottom. So, let's go. Next thing, glue these all on. Keep sticking the bits on all around the top. It helps the glue to stick to the paper so it becomes quite a solid form. Here we go, nearly there. Nearly done. Glue in, put the rest of them on there. Glue the ends. Put them in. Take a bit of, I use a bit of stronger glue for this bit. Stronger. Put that back in there. You don't have to do this bit, but I'm going to because I've got that. Make a hole in there. Take a piece of string or something. Pop it around there like that. Pop a bit of glue on it. Just hold it together. Pop it into there, like that. And spread them. Fold it over. And around. And then just pop it under there like that. Okay, how to make a little box out of a roll like this. Get this, good tip. This makes an even line. Perfect. Right. Craft knife. Bend it all the way along like that. Not too much. And then bend that in like that. Play around with it a little. There we go. A bit. Until you've got a little heart shape like that. Then you can either use the bottom, the other half of the roll, or I found that a bit of harder card was better for this next bit. Take that. And draw around it. Draw around the top, turn it over, draw around the bottom, making sure to remember which is the top and which is the bottom. So they're even. So that's the top. Scissors, cut them out. There we go. Well done. Right, next. Take some glue, go all around the edge. Yes, don't worry too much because it all kind of gets covered up. So that bit goes like that. I cut another strip out of the card. It's just old Amazon card that I used. And I thinned it down by just peeling it like that. It made it a lot easier to do. So thin it down like that. Get your glue gun again and glue all around the outside of the little heart. And I found if I started there, get it so that it's nearly on the edge, up, round, just keep going, hold it on, check the lid fits, perfect. Now to decorate it. Some acrylic paint and paint it. Paint the inside, paint the outside. And the lid. Now to decorate it, take a napkin. You can paint it, but I'm decorating it with a, just take the top sheet. Most napkins have 3 layers, so you know you haven't got the top sheet if you haven't got 3. PVA glue will do, any glue. PVA school glue in America it's called, I've now learnt. but here it's called PVA glue. In the UK we call it PVA glue. Take some PVA glue and just paint all the outside of the box with it. There we go. Make sure it's well covered and you've got every bit. Then take, right, all on. There. Now, get a thing like that and a cloth. Literally do that. It's much easier. It smooths it out without being too much of a problem. Not getting too many wrinkles in it. I know, in there, inside, like that. Okay, like that. When you've done that, leave it to dry. Next, paint your lid, whatever colour you like. Don't worry about these bits. We're going to sort them out in a minute. I'm going to use pink. Best way to get that off at the end, once it's dry, is get a nail file, emery board, and do that. And it comes off neatly. There you go. That side done. Right, I just put some ribbon around the outside, then I had a little bit of that and stuck it in there. There we go. 2 little love hearts. Bubble tube. Put it that way. And that way. That's it. Flatten it the other way. 2 centimetres. And 2 centimetres that end. Take something to score it with. Score that side. Score that side. Turn it over. Okay. Now, pair of scissors. So, there. All the way around, and that end. Off that. Again. And cut around here. Tuck the ends in. And glue. Take some glue. There. Some of that. Put that in, that there, that there. Turn it over. Stick something in there. Oh, just like that. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll decorate it. Let's decorate with some flowers. Oh. Just keep them in any colour you like. Yeah, 2 little boxes. 2 more little boxes, all done. Painted with daisy. All done. 3 little boxes. 3 little boxes made out of little toilet roll.